to get dressed with ease. Here's a tip. The end of your evaluation process is the last question, which is, how can I make it better? You're gonna put your brain to work throughout the day to notice, first of all, what's working about your clothes. Second of all, what's not working. And third, how can I make it better? Is there something I could add to this outfit to make it look more amazing? Should I subtract something from this outfit to make it more amazing? Perhaps during question number 2, when you're thinking about what's not working, your brain may right away start giving you some suggestions, like maybe if you had a belt, maybe a scarf, maybe a different necklace. Maybe if you had a jacket, it would take this to the next level. So throughout the day, you're just using your imagination. These are just questions running in the background. They don't have to take a lot of time, but they do need you to become aware of how you feel about your clothing throughout the day. It behooves you to become aware and not just check out about your clothes, because the way we present ourselves to the world is going to affect how you feel. I want you to have the best day. So use your imagination. How can I make this outfit even better so that I get super excited about wearing it and go out into the world confident, presenting myself as the best version of myself? I believe every woman deserves that, to get dressed with ease, to love her body, to love her clothes, and to make her closet a safe haven, a sanctuary, a really soft place to start the day. You deserve it. These are concepts that I teach inside of my program, How to Curate a Wardrobe You Love. I am a closet coach. I help women to do this so that you can go confidently into the world, so that you don't spin in indecision and frustration. I want that for you. I hope that you use your imagination. How can I make it better? It will continue to inform you of how you can go forward curating a wardrobe that you love and that you're excited about. Let's go.